Do you want to sound more confident and reliable when you speak? This video is going to show you how to link your ideas and create smooth transitions between them. Welcome back, learners. On today's video, we are going to learn how to tell a better story in English by using connectors correctly. Let's listen to this. On the first day, we visit Teotihuacan. After that, we stop at the Basilica of Guadalupe. With these two sequence connectors, we organize our ideas chronologically. This helps your listener follow your story. Now look at this. We went to the Zócalo because it was Día de los Muertos. The square was covered in orange flowers, so the atmosphere felt magical. We are using two cause and effect connectors here, because and so. This explains why something happened. Now your story has logic, not just events. Even though we were tired, we kept exploring. Even though creates a strong contrast between two ideas. It shows that something happened despite a difficulty or obstacle. This tells your listeners something important. We were exhausted, but we didn't want to stop enjoying the trip. That even though adds personality and emotion to your story. While we were walking through the square, we saw a traditional hairless dog. Here, while shows that two actions were happening at the same time. This makes your story more dynamic. We are adding more details to our story. Look at this example. We saw flowers and statues and decorations. It is too repetitive. How do we make it better? The square was filled with bright orange flowers and massive statues representing the celebration. Here we group related ideas together and use "and" only once, correctly. Remember, you don't eliminate "and", you just control it. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about connecting your ideas clearly.